Today I'm going over the newly released EG4 Flexboss18. Now this is an all-in-one solar hybrid inverter, 120, 240 volt split phase. So it is capable of running your entire house, including those big 240 volt appliances. Now hybrid meaning you can use this thing to sell back to the grid if you wanted to, or if you wanted to use it as a standalone off-grid inverter, that is fine as well. Now it's built on the same architecture as its big brother, the Flexboss21 that you see right behind me there. But this one is $500 cheaper and slightly smaller than the Flexboss21. Now when the solar and grid is present, this Flexboss18 can do 13,000 continuous watts. And when it's on battery only, like at night, it can do 10,000 watts continuous. Now compare that to the Flexboss21 where it can do 16,000 watts when the solar and grid is present, and it can do 12,000 watts on battery only. So this is slightly smaller, but it's also $500 cheaper, so it might be the right solution for you. And just like the Flexboss21, it has two solar MPPT charge controllers on it, and each of those charge controllers can handle two strings. So two positive and two negative wires into the first charge controller, and same in the second. And those MPPTs can handle up to 26 amps, or utilize up to 26 amps, and up to 600 volts. Ideal voltage you'd like to have your strings running from your solar panels is between 250 and 440 volts. Now it is NEMA 4X rated, so you can install this thing outside, though you don't want to put it in direct sunlight. Its operating temperature is pretty impressive, all the way down to -13 Fahrenheit and all the way up to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, so it can pretty much handle most areas in the United States. It has a solid 10-year warranty, and it's the exact same size as the Flexboss21 actually, which is 30.35 inches tall, 22.8 inches wide, and 11.22 inches deep. And it does weigh 115 pounds. I was able to manhandle this thing myself, put it up on this table, though I do recommend 2 people. And actually what's impressive about this thing is it is rated to start 195 locked rotor amps, which means this thing can start a 5-ton AC without a soft starter. So that's pretty impressive. You can parallel up to 10 of these Flexboss18s together, just in case you wanted to power a small residential neighborhood. Now by itself, the Flexboss18 does not have a generator port or do AC coupling if you have those older style solar systems that are sending AC power down and you want to add this to it. But you can pair it with the GridBoss, EG4's GridBoss MID, that has that capability. You can easily seamlessly wire this thing right to that and AC couple those solar panels you have and connect a generator to it. And if you're going to install this thing on your house in a residential neighborhood where you're going to have the grid as at least backup, maybe not selling back, but if you are going to sell back for sure, get the GridBoss with this thing. It'll make the install way easier. And you also have those smart ports that'll help you put those large appliances on that you don't want to run if you don't have enough battery storage or solar power. Make sure you check out my channel. I did do a video of the GridBoss going over all its features. It is a neat product and I highly recommend pairing this with it unless you're doing a complete off-grid install. So who is this Flexboss18 ideal for? I would say it's ideal for someone who has a home that's moderately sized, that has natural gas or propane appliances for those larger items like your water heater, your oven, stove range, your electric dryer, because those 240 volt appliances can use around 4,000 to 5,000 watts each. So if you're running 2 of those at a time or 3 of them, you're definitely going to overload this thing. But if you have propane appliances, natural gas appliances, this is ideal for you. It's probably worth it to save the $500. But if you do have an all-electric home, I would definitely recommend getting the Flexboss21, as you're really going to want those 2,000 extra watts at night. Now also, this is perfect if you have, let's say, an existing system, you have the EG4 GridBoss with already maybe the Flexboss21 attached to it, and you just wanted a little bit more power, you can add this thing right to the GridBoss, because you can mix and match this with their other hybrid inverters connected to the GridBoss to be able to add power to your system if you wanted to. Now I'll be installing this Flexboss18 in an 1,800 square foot home that actually is all electric. So electric water heater, electric dryer, electric home heater, electric oven. So I'll be putting this thing to the test pretty hard, and that has a 4-ton air conditioning, so I'll go ahead and start that as well. And we'll see how it performs. I'll leave a link in the description if you're interested in purchasing this thing. So what you're gonna get in the box is obviously the Flexboss18 inverter. You're gonna get the mounting bracket, you're gonna get 2 side mounting brackets, the Wi-Fi dongle, your communication cables, some mounting screws and anchors, and then the CTs. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel as it does really help, and we'll see you all in the next video.